Hello and welcome to Allure. Are you cooking your vegetables the right way? That's the question we're diving into today. We all know that vegetables are a vital part of a healthy diet brimming with essential vitamins and fiber. But did you know that how you cook your vegetables can significantly impact their nutritional value? Yes, the method you choose to prepare your veggies can either enhance or reduce their health benefits. In fact, some cooking methods can lead to substantial nutrient loss, meaning you're not getting the full bang for your buck when it comes to your greens. On the flip side, cooking vegetables correctly can actually enhance their nutritional profile, unlocking more health benefits than you'd get from eating them raw. So, if you're one of those who are passionate about getting the most out of your meals, you're in for a treat. Stay tuned to discover the top 10 ways you might be cooking your vegetables wrong. The first mistake many of us make is overcooking our vegetables. We all love a tender broccoli florée or a soft carrot, but cranking up the heat and leaving our veggies to cook for too long can be a detrimental misstep. This isn't just about taste or texture, though those certainly suffer when you overcook. The real concern lies in nutrient loss. You see, many vegetables are packed with water-soluble vitamins like vitamin C and B vitamins. When you cook these for extended periods, these essential nutrients can leach out into the cooking water or break down due to the high heat. This means you could be tossing out a good portion of the health benefits with that boiling water. The same goes for texture. Overcooking can lead to a mushy, unappetizing mess that no one wants on their plate. So the next time you're firing up the stove, keep an eye on the clock. Remember, less is more when it comes to cooking times. The next common mistake is not selecting the right cooking method. It's not just about taste, folks. The way you cook your veggies can greatly impact their nutritional value. For instance, boiling can cause water-soluble vitamins like vitamin C and B vitamins to leach out of the vegetables. On the other hand, grilling or roasting can enhance the flavor, but might also lead to the loss of certain nutrients due to high heat. Steaming, on the contrary, is a gentle method that preserves more of these precious nutrients. It's an excellent choice for delicate vegetables like spinach or broccoli. And don't forget about raw. Yes, some vegetables offer more health benefits when eaten raw, like bell peppers and cucumbers. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all method. Each vegetable has its own unique set of nutrients that can be better preserved with the right cooking method. Choosing the right cooking method can make a significant difference. Not washing your vegetables correctly is another common mistake. It's more than just a rinse under the tap. It's about ensuring your food's safety and maximizing its health benefits. As we dive into this topic, consider this. Many vegetables are treated with pesticides during their growth process. While these substances protect the plants from pests and diseases, they can linger on the surface even after the veggies make it to your kitchen. Washing vegetables thoroughly can help remove these pesticide residues. Not just that, there's another invisible threat. Bacteria can be present on the surface of your vegetables transferred during handling or from the soil where they were grown. Washing can help eliminate these potential health hazards. But remember, it's not about scrubbing your veggies until they're squeaky clean. Gentle washing, preferably under running water, should do the trick. And for those with lots of nooks and crannies like broccoli or cauliflower, a soak might be more effective. Proper washing is a crucial step you should never skip. Are you peeling your vegetables? That might be a mistake. It's a common misconception that the skin of vegetables is just there for protection, but it actually holds a wealth of nutrients. For instance, the skin of a potato is packed with more fiber, potassium, and B vitamins than the flesh alone. This isn't just true for potatoes. The skin of carrots, cucumbers, eggplants, and many more vegetables are often richer in nutrients than the interior. When you peel these veggies, you're stripping away vital nutrients and essentially tossing them in the trash. But what about the taste, you might wonder? Sure, some skins can be a bit tougher or chewier, but with the right cooking techniques, they can become deliciously crispy or pleasantly tender. And let's not forget about the added bonus of saving time and reducing waste. So next time you reach for that peeler, pause. Next time, consider leaving the peel on. Using vegetables that aren't fresh is another common error. When you think of a vibrant, healthy meal, you likely imagine a plate full of fresh, colorful veggies. But what happens when those veggies aren't as fresh as they could be? You're not just compromising on but also on nutritional value. Vegetables are at their peak nutrient density immediately after being harvested. As time passes, they gradually lose these nutrients. This loss can be accelerated by poor storage conditions, such as heat or light exposure. So, if you're using vegetables that have been sitting in your fridge for weeks, you're not getting the maximum health benefits they can offer. Moreover, the taste of vegetables is also significantly affected by their freshness. Fresh vegetables have a crispness and vibrancy in their flavor that simply can't be matched by their older counterparts. In conclusion, to get the best out of the vegetables, in terms of both health benefits and taste, you need to use them as fresh. Always aim to use the freshest vegetables possible. Do you use too much oil when you cook your vegetables? You might think that a generous drizzle of oil will only enhance the taste of your veggies. However, this common cooking habit may not be as beneficial as you think. When we use too much oil, we are inadvertently adding unnecessary calories to our meals. Just a single tablespoon of oil packs around 120 calories and 14 grams of fat. That's significant, especially if you're aiming for a balanced, calorie-conscious diet. Furthermore, excessive oil can potentially overshadow the natural flavors of the vegetables. The beautiful, earthy taste of your veggies could be masked by the overpowering taste of oil. Instead of the intended rich medley of flavors, you might just end up with a greasy, oily dish. Great, but next time you're cooking, remember this: use oil sparingly. A little goes a long way. It keeps your vegetables healthy and allows their true taste to shine through. Use oil sparingly to keep your vegetables healthy and tasty. Not seasoning your vegetables can also be a mistake. Yes, you heard that right. Seasoning is not just about making your food taste better. It's about enhancing the natural flavors of your veggies, and it doesn't necessarily mean piling on the salt. Think herbs and spices, basil, thyme, rosemary, and even a squeeze of lemon can bring out the subtle flavors in your vegetables without adding excess calories. These natural seasonings also come with their own health benefits, like anti-inflammatory properties and antioxidants. Even a dash of sea salt can actually be beneficial. Contrary to popular belief, it helps to bring out the natural sweetness in vegetables like tomatoes and carrots, making them even more enjoyable. But remember, less is more. You don't want to overpower the star of the dish, the veggies. Veggies aim to enhance, not mask, their natural taste. A little seasoning can go a long way. So the next time you're cooking, don't forget the spice rack. It's your secret weapon in making vegetables irresistible. Ignoring the color of your vegetables could be another misstep. Now, you might wonder, what does color have to do with anything? Well, quite a lot actually. The color of a vegetable is a direct reflection of the nutrients it contains. For instance, red and orange vegetables like carrots and bell peppers are loaded with beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant. Green veggies, on the other hand, are packed with chlorophyll, fiber, and a host of vitamins. So when you're only eating green beans or white potatoes, you're missing out on a rainbow of nutrients that other vegetables have to offer. This isn't to say that green beans or white potatoes are bad, rather, it's about embracing variety. Remember, variety is not just the spice of life. It's also the key to a well-rounded, nutrient-dense diet. So next time you're at the grocery store, think of your shopping cart as a palette. Make your plate as colorful as possible. So those are the 10 common mistakes people make when cooking vegetables. From overcooking to ignoring the color, these missteps can significantly reduce the nutritional value of your veggies. Remember, it's not just about cooking, but cooking right. Overcooked vegetables lose their crunch, color, and most importantly, nutrients. Similarly, using the wrong cooking method can rob your vegetables of their health benefits. Washing is crucial too, as it removes harmful pesticides and dirt. But don't peel off your veggies' skin. It's where most of the fiber and nutrients reside. Freshness matters as well. The fresher the vegetable, the higher its nutritional value. And while oil can enhance flavor, too much can lead to unwanted calories. Finally, seasoning and color aren't just about aesthetics. They can indicate the cooking process and nutrient preservation. Remember, the way you cook your vegetables can significantly impact their nutritional value.